Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I've missed you guys, it's been so long. So today we're actually going to do another unboxing. I quickly want to explain why I quit YouTube for a little bit. First off, it's 90 degrees every day, so it's hard to get outside and skate. I get so sweaty, so it's kind of a pain to go out and skate and make a video every day. And also I haven't been getting many views on my videos lately, so I know some of my most liked videos are my unboxings and stuff, so that's probably what I'm going to be doing from now on. Just unboxings when I have them, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, leave a like and subscribe if that's what you want to see. And today we have a big old box from Skate Warehouse. This is actually my birthday present for my dad. But my birthday's in 8 days, July 14th, so I'm going to open it now because I am in desperate need of some new shoes. Alright, so this is going to be the unboxing room for now. So I'm going to try a new tactic. I'm going to use a letter opener. I'm going to open the box on the side because that's how you get into the stuff. You just got to grab all the guts out. That's the easiest way, so. I mean, letter openers do they cut better than knives, in a sense. I mean, you can't really cut tape with letter openers, but you can cut into cardboard, so that's what I mean. First, you just gotta make the outline. I mean, why am I doing a how-to video? I feel like I'm doing a how-to video. Right now, I'm just doing the outline, and I'm going to cut into it after I do the outline. It'll be a little better. I'll just rip it open after I make the square. You guys already know that there's gonna be shoes in here, but you don't know what else is gonna be here. There's gonna be one more item, and it's a pair of socks. So just comment down below, guess what you think the sock pair is going to be, what brand is it going to be, because there's many skate brand socks out there. The letter opener is completely destroyed, it's bending sideways now. But this is one of my better ideas, this is actually pretty easy. I think I got it. Wait, hold on. There we go. Isn't that perfect? It is so good. Oh shit. Look at the box. Oh fuck. That's not good. I stabbed it into the box. I thought it was gonna go to the side. But the box is the length of the whole thing. Fuck. I just hope the shoes are okay. This is my birthday present, guys. Maybe it wasn't one of my smarter ideas. Alright, so all the shoes are fine. Don't worry about it. Oh shit. Yes, we got our invoice, and I ordered this sticker, and it cost $1.50. Who the hell sells stickers for $1.50? It should be 25 cents to $1. It is a pretty good sticker though. I got Spitfire sticker. You see the things with Skate Warehouse, these shoes were, I'm gonna say $65. If you have, these shoes are $65, so the shipping would have been up to $75, so I actually ordered a pair of socks and a sticker, and it was the same price as it would be for 2-day shipping. So first, I know you guys probably won't like this, but I'm going to open the socks first. And if you guess stance, you guess correctly. Oh shit, these shoes, yeah, these shoes are so good. See, look at the shoes. These socks are amazing. I'm wearing, if you can't tell, probably can't tell, I'm wearing stance socks right now. And these socks are really nice. Nice heavy cotton socks. Wait, why did I forget the name? There's some, fuck, I forget. Oh wait, Adidas ADV Premier Advanced. I mean, obviously that's gonna be the name of the title. And we got both of our shoes. Pretty clean. I'd say like the biggest reason why I wanted these is because of like the traction and the grip on the bottom. Cause like these have like kind of more like a waffle shape on the bottom and this thing for traction. And I feel like these wouldn't like wear down as fast as normal shoes, cause I've been getting like holes in the bottom of my shoes and I don't like it, cause that's harder to fix than when you just have like a tear in the suede. And these are the Premier Advanced shoes. So that means that there's like a very durable suede. And I'll be quite honest, like I do not like the stitching on the top, but I'm just guessing that's for extra durability. But yeah, it's a pretty good shoe. It's actually like thinner than I thought it would be. Like it's really thin, like on the bottom. Look at that. That's only like 2 inches. But I feel like that would give me more traction and more endurance or whatever. I don't fucking know. This is Adidas skateboarding in the back. So my first impression, I can't even fucking speak. My first impressions are, these are pretty good. Like I can't fucking speak. I keep on telling you guys. Why don't you guys help me speak? I need to learn English. Alright, so my first impressions are I really like the tongue of the shoe. Like it's kind of padded. You can see like it has padding right here for the toe, and I feel like that'll keep my like feet in place with the shoe. It'll keep my, and there's also thin padding on the sides for the heel. That'll give me more endurance for when I'm skating. Now let's check out. There's some stickers in here. Hold on. But let's check out the insole. I'm really curious to see if this is good because I kind of am wanting to buy an extra insole, like a FP insole or whatever. Okay, this is decent. This is pretty good. It doesn't have much arch protection. It gets thinner over there, so I probably am gonna buy some extra insoles. But for what it is, it's pretty good. Better than my previous insoles for the Vans. I definitely am gonna like these better than Vans. These are really good. I'm gonna be doing in a few months, like probably like 2 months, because I go through my shoes pretty slowly, because I do shoe goo and stuff like that. So in a few months, I'm gonna be doing a shoe review. So please subscribe if you like this video. If you want to see me rate this shoe and see what it looks like after skating it for 2 months, then subscribe and like the video. And now I'm just gonna put my socks on. I'm gonna put the shoes on and model it for you guys. See how it looks. If you guys like the look of it, then you guys can get them. So thanks for watching the video. I'm just gonna get into some views of me wearing the shoe. So yeah, I'm Brendan and I'm out.